Hi everyone, welcome to my education video classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 97, a small blue case. Sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar? Hamda bugungi darsimiz shu 97-dars. Albatta, bugungi darsni boshlashdan burun biz oldingi darsimizda o'tilgan muhim bo'lgan ham so'zliklar va shu jumla shakllari bor. Shularni bir qatam takrorlagandan keyin yangi darsga kelsak. Xo'sh, hamsa, can you spell the words? Do you know them? Okay, do you know them? These girls, work in, on the train, right? And we can say them, they are porters. And the bulanimilar desanlar, porterlar. Shu poyezd ishlaydigan xodimlar. Endi meyacho desanlar, bu yana bo'lsa adashlar, platform. Okay, platform. Demak, poyezdga chiqish, tushish, ham saqlaydigan supurnim deymiz, platform deymiz. What about that? That one is train. That one is train. And what is that? That one is train station. Or railway station. Railway station. This one is bar. Okay. Demek hamda ma'lum so'zlar oldingi darsligimizda intayim muhim bo'lib chiqqan so'zlar. Porter, platform, bar, train, station degandek. So guess the words. Let me tell you the explanation, especially the definition of the word, and you can tell me the exact word. First of all, give you one example. You go to somewhere and come back from somewhere. Okay, you go to somewhere and come back from somewhere. What is that? It's a return. Okay, and we can say a return ticket. Berish and that qaytib kelish bileti. A return ticket. Okay, and number 2, you have enough for or more than enough watermelons. Okay, you have enough or more than enough watermelon. MS plenty. Ko'p miqdorda. Plenty of, like plenty of time, plenty of money. Degandek. What about number 3? Lily hurried to get on the train or the bus. Get on the train or the bus. So we can say catch. Mesela catch the bus, catch the plane. Okay. Yao-Ming doesn't get on the train to Shanghai in time. Okay. What would you say? Just miss. Bu nima desam? Kechikib qolmoq. Demak, ulguralmak deganni catch deymiz, kechikib qolmoq deganni miss. Undan sirт hamda biz shu oddiy kelgusi zaman va oddiy o'tgan zamonninki biroz farqlarini o'rgangan to'q. Masalan, qaranglar. So when did Harry Potter fly to Athens? Okay, a week ago. Demak, nima deymiz? He flew there a week ago. U yerga bir hafta burun uchdi. A week ago. And when did Mr. Obama go to Bombay? 2 months ago. Shikayburun. Demek, he went there 2 months ago. Shikayburun. No, Shikayburun uyagbade. Bombay. What about Paris? When will the children go to Paris? And the mere swallow when will la qachon bormoqchi? In 2 days time. Hamda musharikma inga alayda diqqat qilamiz. Bu in degan hargizmi ichida emas, balki ma'lum bir vaqtdan keyin degan gap. Nima 2 kundan keyin degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? Demak, men Parijga 2 kundan keyin bormoqchi. Buni nima desanlar? I will go there in 2 days time. There deganimiz musharika shu yer degan gap, ha? Okay. What about when will David go to Madrid? In 2 months time. I'm the guiding key. Demek, he will go there in 2 months time. o'shikaydan keyin uyaga bormoqchi. So when will the birds fly to New York? In 2 hours time. Okay, he will fly there in 2 hours time. Hem de 2 saatdan keyin qanday qilmoqchi? Uchib qanday qilmoqchi? Bormoqchi. Okay. Bu da endi bizning oldingi darsimizdagi muhim nuqtalarni bir qadam takrorlandi. Andaqda yangi so'zlarga diqqat qiling, savollar. So, have you ever lost anything or anywhere? Have you lost? Endi bir narsani yuturib baqtanglar, savollar. Have you ever lost anything or anywhere? Ma'lum bir yerda yuturib baqtanglar. Okay, anything such as a purse? Have you lost your purse? Okay. You know, my mother lost her purse 2 months ago. Okay. Men anam hamda 2 oy burun bir shu qo'l so'mkasini yuttirib o'tgan. Misharga purse, Amerika ingliz tilida purse deydi. Angliya ingliz tilida deydi valla handbag. Excuse me. Deb gap bor shunda. Ani keyingisini bilsanlar suitcase. Okay, suitcase. Suitcase degani ekan chamadan. Chamadan ne? Suitcase. Okay, what about next? School bag? Have you ever lost your school bag? Have you? Or mobile phone? Sorry. Mobile phone. And the mobile phone şu sağlaştı. Or keys. Açkoç. And bu ekranda görünüp durgan narsa asasen biz şu kunluk turmuşda yutturup qo'yish imkoniyatimiz nayt ko'p bo'lgan narsa. Shunama bishari keys bilamdi, suitcase, school bag, mobile phone. You know, I always lose keys. Bular men nima dersanglar? Shu ochqichlarni to'la yuttirib qo'yman-da. So, have you ever lost anything anywhere? Have you? Okay. So, if you find a suitcase on a train and you don't know whose case it is, what will you do? What will you do? Agar hamda bir poyezdda siz bir chamdan tepib oldingiz, hamda o chimning chamdanligini bilmadingiz, vaqtsiz qanday qilsiz? What will you do? So, will you take it to the police station? Okay, and the saqchiq topshirib beramizlar. Or take it to the lost. Okay, and misharik lost deganimizni, shu yutib ketgan narsani ma'lum qilish tepish o'rni. Or property office. Okay, and then nima desanlar? Mana lost property office. And the yutib ketgan narsalarni aniqlagan, ma'lum qilgan, topadigan o'rinni nima deymiz? Lost property. Property deganimiz endi mishariki o'zingizki chamdan bu narsalar. Yoki nima? Lost and found office mi deb qo'ydi. Lost and found office. So if you leave a suitcase on a train, what will you do? Mishariki leave deganimiz nima? Qilib qolmoq. Leave deganimiz ha. Masalan, go to blah blah blah blah degandek. So today we will listen to the story. In this story, a man left a suitcase on a train. What is it like, and what did he do? So if you're interested in, just take a look. So new words. Okay, first one is leave. Actually, leave. Okay, and the leave deganimiz nima desanlar? Qoldirib qo'ymoq, qilib qolmoq degan gap. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli left, tarmoq shakli left. Leave, left. Okay. Next one is describe. Okay, describe. Okay. Ikkinchisi nima desanlar? Tasvirlamak. Next one is zip. Zip, sirtma degan gap. Keyingisi label. Okay, label. Bu nimasi? Markasi. Voy yoki masalan kichik bunda bir kartadagi nimasi bor. Bu adresi, ismi yozilgan. Next one is handle. Okay, handle. Masalan chamadonlarniki tutqichi. Next one is address. Adresi. Next one is pence. Okay, pence. Bu pul birligi. Bular ma ponistirlarniki sinib deb qo'yamiz-ku. Shu pul birligi. Belong, tava. Xo'sh, hamsa tafsilotiga bir diqqat qilib qo'yaylik. Birinchisi leave. Okay. And then I left my notebook at my mother's. Okay, endi bishadiki. Men konspekt daftarimni yoki xotir daftarimni opamning uyida qo'yib qo'yibdim-a. Bishadiki I left my notebook at my mother's. Demak, at my mother's home yoki house degan gap. So he left his case in a classroom. Ochqichini darsxonada unutib qolibdi. Bu yerga left deganimiz masalan, jiq bola masalan kechikib kelgandim deydi. Oh, sorry sir, I left my homework at home deydi-chu. Uyda unutib qolibdim-a. Okay. So, did you leave anything on the bus? Siz avtobusda bir narsani unutib qolganmi, bir narsani qo'yib baqqanmi? Did you have? Okay. One of the things remember to turn off the light when you leave. Remember to deganimiz esingizda bo'lsin. Unutib qolmang demakchi. Siz yo'lga chiqqanda yoki siz ayrilganda, mana shu chiroqni o'chirib o'tishni qanday qilib qolmang? Unutib qolmang. Demak, endi men leave deganimiz endi birisi bir narsa qoldirib qo'ymoq, unutib qolmoq. Yana bir ma'nosini sanglamishdiki, ayrilmoq degan gap. Masalan, leave for deb ishiltildi, ma'lum bir yo'lga chiqmoq, shu yerga mangmoq, safar qilib mangmoq degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, is she leaving from Paris for New York? Endi u Parijdan New Yorkka yo'lga chiqmoqchimi? Is she leaving? Okay. I'm leaving for Shanghai tomorrow. Okay, men erta Shanghaiga yo'lga chiqmoqchi. Odatda bu hozir davomlashayotgan zaman bo'lsa, odamlar oddiy kelgi zamonni bildiradi. Masalan, I'm leaving for Shanghai tomorrow. Men erta nega yo'lga chiqmoq? Shanghaiga yo'lga chiqmoqchi. Okay, my parents left for Japan next week. Masalan, o'tgan hafta, yo'q kelar hafta mening ota-onam qanday qilmoqchi? No, my jumla xato bo'lib qolibdi. My parents left for Japan last week. Mening ota-onam o'tgan hafta Yaponiyaga mangdi. Demakchi, o'tgan hafta shu yerga qanday sanli ketdi degan gap. And then leave a message for somebody. Okay, and this is oblajan and leave a message for blah blah blah. deb qo'ydi. Leave a message for me. Odatda bu telefonlarningki ba'zi iqtidorlar bor. Masalan, telefon qilgan odam yo'q bo'lib qolsa, this is oblajan and leave a message deb qo'ydi. Uchur qoldirib qo'ying. So, did he leave any message for me? U menga bir uchur qoldirib qo'ydimi? Did he leave any message for me? Leave the door open. Leave the door open. Nima? Eshikni ochiq holatda qanday qiling? Qo'ying degan gap. Keyingisi handle. Okay. Handle. All right. Handle. Handle deganimiz nima desanglar? Mana shu tutqich. Masalan, the handle of the kettle, nima? Mana shu nimaninki tutqichi? Kettle. Choy qaynatadigan chaynakninki. The handle of the door, masalan, eshikning tutqichi. Handle of the kettle is hot. Tutqichi qanday desanglar? Qiziq deydi. The handle of my suitcase is broken. Mening ma chomirimning tutqichi, bunday ko'tardi aytib is broken, buzilib ketdi. Degandek. Bularni nima desanglar? Handle. I turned the handle and opened the door. Men turn demakchi tutqichni to'lg'ab, nima qildim? Eshikni ochdim. Mushulning bo'ldi desanglar, hammasi handle. Okay? Endi ikkinchisi handle deganimiz, men hand degan qo'lg'u hamda handle. Hamda nima desanglar, mana shu bir tadbir qo'llanmoq degan gap. He know how to handle the machine. Hamda u mashinani qanday boshqarishni, qanday bir taraf qilishni qanday desanglar, biladi deydi. Okay, he is too young to handle this problem. Endi bu masalani hal qilishni u texa pek yosh, demakchi texa hal qilolmaydi, texa kichik deydi. He is too young to handle this problem. Demak, misharik handle this problem degan masalani hal qilish. Handle the machine bo'lsa, bu mashinani bir taraf qilish degan gap bo'ldi. So, you should learn how to handle people. Qanday qilamish odamlarni qanday bir taraf qilishni yoki shunaqa ma'lum bir masalaga yo'liqsa shuni tadbir qo'llanib hal qilishni qanday qilishingiz kerak, o'rganishingiz kerak. You should learn. And this shop handles paper and stationery. Okay, endi bu do'kon shu qog'oz va madaniyat buyumlari bilan qanday qilindi? Shug'ullanadi. Shuni nima deymiz? Handle deymiz. All right, next one is address. Address. Address deganimiz ismidan chiqib turibdi, nima desan? Adres degan gap. Masalan, an address book. Adres kitobi. So what's your address? So can you tell me your address? Adresingizni deb beramsiz. Adresingizni deb beramsiz degan gap. So can you tell the teacher's address? Muallimning adresini deb beramsiz. Can you tell the teacher's address? Degandek. Okay, next one is zip. Zip. Bu zip deganimiz nima desanlar? Sirtma. My coat has got a zip. Meningki paltorimning nimasi bor? Sirtmasi bor. Okay, masalan, this kind of zip is long. And bu tipdagi sirtmalar qanday desanlar? Uzun deydi. Qaranglar, mouse nima desanlar? Zip. The small blue case has got a zip. And nima has got degan bor degan gap, ingliz tilidagi. Bu ko'k ranglik chamdonniki nimasi bor? Sirtmasi bor, mana zip. O'rniga men zip your lips deb bir gap bor. Lip deganimiz ma qalpoq degan gapmi? Zip your lip and qalpoqlaringizni bir bo's bir sirtmalab qo'ymamsiz degan gap, og'zingizni yuming degan gap ama o. Sharob deymiz-ku. Bu shuni zip your fly, zip deymiz. And nima desam, this is a label on the handle. O'rniga ma u ba'zi chamdonlarning nimasamanda bir bizning kimlik sag'adik kartekning bor, uningda bir narsa yozilgan, uning ismi, adresi, telefon nomeri. Masalan, shu chamdan yutib ketganda shuni qanday desam, ma'lum uchurlar bor. Shuni nima deymiz desanglar, label deymiz. Va yoki masalan, har xil mahsulotlarning yoki ichimliklarning o'stirimanda bir ochamiz bor. Nima chaplaqliq masalan, nim markalik, ismi nima, uningdagi endi nimalar bor deganda shu narsalar nima desanglar, label bo'ladi. Masalan, qaranglar, my name is Ablajan Muhammad Ali, 8 Jefang Road, Kashgar, Xinjiang, China. Endi bu adres yozganda eng kichikdan boshlab, masalan 8-nomer shu ozodlik yo'li, Qashqa, Xinjiang, China, yer shahri degandekcha. Shunday yozilgan gap. Mushun nimaga isib qo'ydi desanglar, shu yo'liqa nima bor? Tutqichqa. Bu qanday desanglar, bu hisobda yutib ketgan narsalarni tepishga noiti o'ng'ay, qulaylik. Bu nima? Address. Address. What's your address? Okay. Label. Label again. Okay. Okay. There is a label on this toy car. Okay. And bu uyanchiq mashinaning ustida bir tal nim bor ekan. Shu marka bor ekan. So can you see the label on the case? Nimaning ustidagi, chamdaning ustidagi markani ko'rdingmi? I read the information on the label. Men nimadagi shu labeldagi atau marksga nimani qanday qildim? Shuni qildim deyapsanlar. Ko'rdim deymiz. Masalan, attach a label to. Marka choplamoq degan gap, ha? Ko'pinchalik mahsulot ishlasa shu markasini choplaydi. Shuni deymiz, attach a label. Okay, next. What is your pencil case like? Sizningki qalamlaringiz qandaroq? So, what something or someone look like, it means like describe. That's the pattern. Describe. So, can you describe your classmates? Siz savodoshlaringizni tasvirlab boqamsiz. Demak, qanday ranglik, igizmi, pakami, obo degandek alaylik, describe. So, can you describe your suitcase? So, what is your suitcase like? Demak, what is your suitcase like? Bilan what describe your suitcase? Qanday desanlar o'xshash. So, it's very difficult to describe my feeling with words. Bekbeyjimda. Mening hissiyotimni til bilan tasvirlab berish intayin murakkab. So'zlar bilan tasvirlab berishni ayting, murakkab. It is very difficult to describe my feeling with words. With words. And the priest asked me to describe thief exactly. Zadu o'g'rining qandaqligini bu saqchi qanaqadi meni tasvirlab berishimni so'radi. Asked me to describe thief. Okay. And the describe deganimizga o'xshash tasvirlamak. Masalan, he described her as a clever. Xuddi aqlliqdek tasvirladi. He described her as Obama. Obama o'xshatib tasvirlabdi. Okay, what is this? This is one small coin in the UK. And this is penny. Bunun köpük şekli pence. Pence. Penny, pence. And that 100 pence equal to 1 pound. And the 100 cent balla bir ponustırılan da. Xuddi bizden xalq pulimizdeki pung bağı 100 pung bir koyda. Şunun o'xshash endi 100 cent, ma penny deganimiz centdan ke birlik shakli, bir tal centni ko'rsatadi. Pence deganimiz ko'rsanglar, pence deganimiz shu ko'plik shakli, 100 pence equal 1 pound. 1 pound. Pound degan Angliyaning pul birligi, bu nima desanglar, pond sterling degan gap. Pond sterling. 100 pence equals 1 pound. 1 pound. So it's my suitcase. It means it belongs to me. O manga tava. Bishara belong deganimiz pil, tava bo'lmoq degan gap. Belong to somebody. Belong to somebody. This is Lisa's house. Bu bo'lsa Lisaning uyi. Demak, it belongs to Lisa. U kimga tava? Lisaga tava. It belongs to her. Bu uningga tava. It belongs to her. Belongs to her. The house belongs to me. He belongs to a golf club. And the golf nimasiga aza yoki shunaqa tava degan gap klubiga. Tushunarlimi? You belong to me bo'lsa, sen menga tava. So, savol shakl jo'rasanglar, does this book belong to you? The book sizga tavami? Does this belong to you? The garden doesn't belong to me. Bu gullik menga tava emas. The garden doesn't belong to me. So word puzzle, and word puzzle qaranglar, masalan mana o'xshash label degan so'z bor. Qolgan so'zlarni tepaqamiz, savolashdan birinchisi labelni topdik, yana-chi? Yana qanday so'zlar bor? Okay. Miyari key degan so'zni men ko'rdim mana. Uningdan keyin andinchi Okay, boat degan so'zni ko'rdim. Okay, yana-chi? Tek degan so'zni ko'rdim. Okay. Tikki sangli bo'ldi, mandaqki sangli bo'ldi. Masalan, menga boat, key, belong, handle, leave, ticket, clothes, zip, okay, pence, address. Okay, left. Okay, describe. Xo'sh-hamsa, mushu tekstga kelib qoldik savolashda. So let's learn the text together. Andaqda mushu tekstni birlikda bir o'rganib chiqaylik. Xo'sh, andaqda qaranglar. Avval hamza mushuninki anglash qismini bir anglab o'tsanglar.
I left a suitcase on the train to London the other day.
Can you describe it, sir?
It's a small blue case, and it's got a zip. There's a label on the handle with my name and address on it.
Is this case yours?
No, that's not mine.
What about this one? This one's got a label.
Let me see it.
What's your name and address?
David Hall, 83 Bridge Street.
That's right. D.N. Hall, 83 Bridge Street. £3.50, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Hey,
What's the matter?
this case doesn't belong to me. You've given me the wrong case.
Okay. Ondan sağdaşla tekstini birlikte günüp çıkayla. I left the suitcase on the train to London the other day. Okay, I left the suitcase men. Çamıdınımını unutup koptu me. Nime? The train to London. Demek London'a bardığan poyizda. The other day. Baş günü demekçe. Bir neç gün burun ya kaldığın günü. Qanaqtı me? Men çamıdınımını London'a bardığan poyiz unutup koptu me. Can you describe it, sir? Tasvirde bakalım efendim. It's a small blue case and it's got a zip. O boz bir küçük bir kök ranglı çamıdan. Onunki sırtmış var. There is a label on the handle. Okay, there is a label, bir markası var. Nima tutquchida. With my name and address on it. Benim ismim bilan adresim onun üstüge yozilgan. Is this case yours? Hamda bu sizningmi? No, that's not mine. O mening emas. What about this one? Oy buchi. This one's got a label. Buniki labels bor ekan. Let me see it. Ko'rib baqay. So what's your name and address? Ismingiz bilan adresingiz efendim David Hall, 83 Bridge Street, Ko'rikutsi. That's right, DN Hall, 83 Bridge Street. £3, £50, please. Which bonuslarlang 50 cent biran. Here you are. Okay, I'm the yerinde saklap baginiga pul olgan gap. Elinga. Thank you. Hey. What's the matter? Waiting bold is this case doesn't belong to me. You've given me the wrong case. And the boçamdan bana tabi emas, siz bana hatacamdan da berip qo'yapsiz. Hatacamdan da berip qo'yapsiz deydi. Xo'sh, andaqda bu bugungi tekstdagi eng muhim bo'lgan ochiqishliq jumla belaklar qarab baqaylik. Birinchisi. I left the suitcase on the train to London the other day. The train to London deganimiz hamda shu Londonga boradigan poyezd degan gap. And the train to someplace, masalan, the train to Kashgar, Qashqarga boradigan poyezd. The train to Urumchiga boradigan poyezd. The train to New Yorkga boradigan poyezd. Masalan, I met Andy on the other day. Okay, endi mishalga Shanghaiga boradigan aeroplanlar desakchi. Okay. The plane to Hong Kong. The plane to Hong Kong the other day. I mean, Andy bilan shu Shanghaiga boradigan aeroplanda tanishdim. You know, there is a label on the handle. Okay, with my name and address on it. Okay, endi mishalga with my name and address deganimiz shu with bilan ishlatilgan, shuning bilan billaning qilingan degan ma'noda. Masalan, qaranglar. The teacher came into the classroom with a phrase book in her hand. Bir qo'lida bir phrase bookni ko'targan holda. Demak, shuning bilan billa shuni olgan holda degan gap. Okay. Masalan, the lady came in with a blue handbag. Okay, ko'k rangli hamda qo'l sumkasi. Asqan holda qanday qildi? Kirdi. Xo'sh, hamsa savollarga javob berib beringlar. When did Mr. Hall leave this suitcase? When did Mr. Hall leave this suitcase? I left the suitcase on a train to London the other day. What's the Mr. Hall suitcase like? It's a small blue case and it's got a zip and there is a label on the handle with his name and address. What's Mr. Hall's address? Okay, David Hall, 83 Bridge Street. What is the matter? The suitcase doesn't belong to Mr. Hall. Does Mr. Hall get his suitcase back? He doesn't, because the attendant gave him a wrong one. Xato birisini qanaqibdi, beribdi. Hamda nurg'un savollarniki mush boshni og'ritadigan masalani hamda bugun hal qilib o'tamiz. U bo'lsin nima arzanlar? Mush olmashlar. Okay, almash deganni arabda dates deymiz, va kishilik almashlar. Hamda bu kishilik almashlarda masalan qarasang I man bu birinchi shaxs almash. Birinchi shaxs kishilik almash I hamda buningki to'ldiruvchi bo'lib kelgan shakli. Endi to'ldiruvchi degan gap shu ish harakatning obyektini bildirdi balla. Okay, obyektini bildirdi. Masalan, I love you deganni misol oldik. I love you desak, I degan yaxshi ko'rmak, love degan yaxshi ko'rmak nima? Shu yaxshi ko'rmak degan hamda xabar bo'ldi. Men sizni yaxshi ko'raman. Demak, hamda I degan shu ish harakatni paydo qiluvchi. Nima? Hamda bu ish harakatni obyekt qiluvchi, demak, ish harakatni ustiga oluvchi to'ldiruvchi bo'ldi. Men kimni yaxshi demakchi, nimani, kimni degan narsalar savol olib keldi bunga. Men kimni yaxshi ko'raman? You, sizni. Okay, endi bu shariki, shu meni, me degan meni manga. Bu nima desang, shu harakatning obyekti bo'ladi. Masalan, give me, manga bering. Kim berdi? Siz, you ega bo'ladi, me yani to'ldiruvchi bo'ldi. Ma bingo deganimiz shu to'ldiruvchi bo'lgan kishilik almash. Kishilik almash. Masalan, we-ninki, onun ekandan ko'rsam my, mening, ma'o sifat xarakterlik kishilik almash. Bu sifat xarakterlik deganimiz mushuning keyindan bir ism keladi. Demakchi shu ismni aniqlab keladi degan gap. Masalan, my book. Kimning kitobi? Va mening kitobim. Demak, sifat xarakterlik hamda kishilik almash. My book. Bu faqat sifatlik rolni o'ynaydi, jumi? Keyin cho'qim ism kelish kerakmi, ayrim kelishga bo'lmaydi. My book, your book, his book deganda. Endi mine deganimiz shu ism xarakterlik nima bo'ldi desanglar? Ism xarakterlik kishilik almash. Adətdə bu birga BP'lərinin oldirib qoysaqmı bo'ldi, keyində qoysaqmı bo'ldi. Masalan, this book is mine. Okay, this book is mine. This book is mine desək olmaydı. And this is my book desək bo'ladi. Tushundingizmi? This book is mine. This book is yours. This book is his deganga o'xshashchi. Yoki mine is here. Meniki bo'lsa mana bu yerda. Yoki igimi bo'la oladi. Chunki men ism emasman, ham igim bo'la oladi, ham de mishada kesim xabarim bo'la oladi. Kesim xabar deganimiz ham de mishadaki, mana shu bepildan keyin keldigina. Undan keyin ham de birinchi shaxsning ko'plik ko'rsanglar, ko'plikninki olmishi we, to'ldiruvchi bo'lib olmishini us, sifat xarakterlik our, bizning degan gap shunami? Bu nima desa, ism xarakterlik bizning. Masalan, these books are ours. Bu kitoblar bo'lsa nima? Bizning. İkinci shaxs birlik va ko'plik o'xshashlar. You, bingo olib kelganimi you, undan keyin endi sifat xarakterli your, undan keyin ism xarakterli yours. Endi uchinchi shaxs erlarga he, to'ldiruvchi olib kelgani him, undan keyin sifat xarakterligi his, undan keyin endi ism xarakterligi his. Okay, she, her, hers. It, its. They, them, and give them. Degandaka, their sifat xarakterlar. Their is posture sanlar. Bu yerda ism xarakterlar. Okay. Andaqda, is this case yours? No, that is not mine. O mening emas. Demak, mine'inga mine, your'inga yours. Shunami? Is this case yours? Is this your case? No, it's not mine. Shikilsak bo'ldi. Is this case yours? Bu sizning, bu chamdan sizningmi? Bilan bu sizning chamdaringizmi? Degandaka. Sizning chamdaringizmi? Hamda ism xarakterli. No, it's not my case. Yoki it's not mine. Yoki it's not my case. Mine. Yours. His. Theirs. Degandak. And this is my book. Bu nima desak bo'ladi? The book is mine. Kitob bo'lsa meniki. Bu bo'lsa mening kitobim, shunami? Masalan, he is our teacher. The teacher is ours. O o'qituvchi bo'lsa bizning, shunami? This is your blouse. Bu sizning ko'ptingiz. And the blouse is yours, sizning. This is my glue. Bu mening shilmim. The glue is mine degandek. So, bu bo'lsa mening yangi tashtikim. This is my new vase. Okay, the new vase is mine. Shunami? Undan kelganda bu salom-xat qog'ozlari ularning and that the pads of writing paper are theirs. Those are their pads of writing paper. Demak, those are theirs of nima? Writing paper. Okay. Hamda bu bo'lsa sizning kunligingiz. Nima deymiz? This is your umbrella. Yoki the umbrella, this umbrella is yours. Bu kunlik bo'lsa nima? Sizning. Okay, that's her handbag. And that handbag is nima? Hers. Degandek. Hamda savol javob qilib bu sizlarning uyinglarmi degan nima deymiz? Okay, bu sizlarning uyinglarmi? Is this your house? Shunaqa? Is this your house? Is this house yours? Yoki shunaqa? Is this your house? Bilan is this house yours? Okay. Uning qora galstukimi? Nima deymiz? Bir shakli is that tie his? Shunaqa? Sana is that his black tie? Uning qora galstukimi? Endi bu bizningki yangi muallimmi? Okay, masalan, this is our new teacher, shunaqa? Okay, this new teacher is ours. And buni savol shaklida qo'ysanglar, is this our new teacher? And is this new teacher ours? Bizningmi degandek bo'ldi. Bu bo'lsa uningki tushlikdamiqi. Is this its lunch? And then is this lunch? It is degandek. So do the same. Do some exercise. So are these students' book? Yes, they are. Ularning degan nima deymiz? Ism xarakterli. Theirs. Nima? They are theirs. What about this one? Let me see it. Let me to see it. Let me seeing it. Let me saw it. Qaysi? Asl shakli keldi. Let me see it. This bike is Mary's. Okay. My is new. Mine is new. Mine is new. Qaysi? Okay. And mine is your meaning bo'lsa nima? Yeni. Okay. There is a label. Okay, the handle. Okay, and there is a label on the handle. Okay, on the handle with his name and address. The book doesn't belong to, okay, belong to me. They belong to me. Me keldi. Tom's father left the bag, the train to London. Demek on the train to London bo'lmishadi. On the train to London. How much is it? £4.40. Okay, and the penny ninki ko'pli shakli nima? Pence. Okay, give me that knife, please. Bu nima? Give me the knife. Here you are. Next one is what? Your name and address. What is your name and address? Ismingiz bilan nimangiz deydi. Okay. This fashion dress doesn't belong to me. I can find that hammer. Can you it please? Can you describe it please? I can find that hammer. Please leave the coat for me. I lost my key. I should it in my office. I should left it. So if you can't get there, you can ask somebody the way, but you must remember the address. The house is 5,600, but it was every penny of it. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.